Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on the Internet of Things. Today in this session we are going to dwell into the IPSO, which is for smart objects. I am Priyadarshini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to dwell into the topic of IPSO. We are going to see how IPSO is going to contribute for interoperability feature, scalability and the secure communication in the IoT ecosystem. To start with, let's look at the IPSO Alliance vision and role. So we all know IPSO Alliance was formed in order to promote the internet protocols across various IoT devices and across different vendors. And also its vision is to promote IoT devices should communicate among all the IoT devices, they should communicate using an IP based language, that is Internet Protocol language. So this IPSO has four major key roles. So the first one is it promotes internet protocol standards across different organizations and across different vendors. It also educates and informs researchers and the developers about the key role of IPSO. It also helps or promotes in publishing open specification standards to implement the IoT devices. And finally, last but not least, it also engages the industry leaders to support standardization and to promote of a smooth communication over IoT devices. In short, IPSO plays a vital role in promoting IP protocols for efficient and secure communication between different IoT devices. Now, the most important contribution of IPSO is the smart object. So, smart objects enable different IoT devices that is being manufactured by different organizations or by different vendors to use a common IP based language. So, that is the use of the smart objects. So, each object, that is the smart object, contains a specific resource. So it has been identified by different or by unique URIs, that is Uniform Resource Identifier. So these objects, smart objects, are also designed to be very lightweight, efficient, and also it is an efficient communication platform for the constrained devices, which is having a limited power capability and the memory capacity. This IPSO smart object also facilitates interoperability across a different range of communication protocols like CoAP, HTTP and MQTT. Let's look into how IPSO, the smart objects, all fit into the IoT protocol stack. So to start with, this IPSO integrates with a lightweight machine-to-machine for efficient device management among different devices. It uses the constrained application protocol, since this constrained application protocol is mainly designed for lightweight and also for reliable data exchange. So it utilizes this CoAP communication, and also IPSO uses IP based foundation. Just like web, how we address different devices. So same thing in IPSO also, the IP based foundation gives the scalability and uniform addressing of devices to support n number of IoT devices. And finally, it is for the stateless. It also helps in stateless interactions. It supports numerous n number of IoT devices which are connected to give a communication among different devices even when they are of limited capacity or limited scalability. IPSO standards provides several key benefits of using this in the IoT environments. So the first one is common language. So IPSO aids in common language. That means it provides an universal communication for the devices that is being integrated within this IPSO, and it fosters seamless management. That is, It enables devices to be discovered, managed and controlled in the network without any effort. That is effortless management. The next one is global scalability. It can scale from millions to billions of IoT devices without any redesign. And the final thing is it is an innovation catalyst. That means there is no development barriers in giving this IPSO for different devices, and it also enhances collaboration among different vendors and different organizations. The IPSO aligns perfectly with the 5C framework and one of IoT device design. So the 5Cs are connectivity, continuity, compliance, coexistence, cybersecurity. And the 1C is customer experience. So connectivity, we all know different IoT devices can be connected, enabling devices can be connected for efficient communication. Continuity is nothing but the consistent approach, and it helps in uptime environments also. The next one is compliance. Compliance is nothing but how the IoT devices are existing with the protocol standards being defined by IETF and other protocol standard management groups. The next one is coexistence. Coexistence is nothing but different IoT devices from different vendors, from different organizations can enable these devices and work together. The next one is cyber security, providing wanted informations to other devices and enhancing security features also. And the final thing is customer experience. So different vendors or different organization customers and support this IPSO using the trust and the reliable it has been given. Thank you.